There has never been a time in history where you can make money remotely starting with $0 like there is today. With AI rising, social media booming, the floodgates are open. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the 5 best side hustles you can start remotely and a step-by-step on exactly how to start them. This is the only video you'll ever need, so if you actually want to make money, lock in. Starting with number 1, AI faceless videos and clipping. Faceless content is exploding, and with the help of AI, it's super easy to create and clip out content that is already existing. Here's how to do it. Step 1, pick a format, and there are 2 powerful options. Option number 1 is podcast clipping, but with a creative twist. So look at your favorite or the trending podcast. This can be Theo Vaughn's podcast, Joe Rogan, Full Send podcast, whichever you pick. But you need to be early into it as soon as the podcast uploads. Then find a viral moment in that podcast. A deep convo, a funny moment, a controversial take. Then you can either simply export that clip, edit it on CapCut so that it's vertical, and then you can repost it on social media. Or what's been going on recently, which is super smart and gets a bunch of views, is instead of taking the clip as it is, repurposing it and posting it on short form platforms, you use AI filters to turn the characters into babies, animals, or animated characters. Here's a few examples on the screen right now. To do this, you take a screenshot of each character in the podcast and you go onto ChatGPT and tell it to turn these characters into babies. Then you export that image onto Hebra and use the lip sync feature to make them talk. Then you simply export that into CapCut, add subtitles, and boom, you have a viral clip at your fingertips. The second option is AI voiceover video. So you start by picking a niche. This can be fitness, this can be horror stories, this can be makeup, fashion, whatever you pick. Let's say, for example, you picked horror stories. You go into ChatGPT and you prompted, write me a script of a horror story between a man and a woman that happened in the 1980s. It'll generate the script, you copy and paste it, you go into 11 Labs and it'll turn that script into a voiceover. And you can pick any voice, a man, a woman, a kid, an old man, whatever it is. Then you export that voiceover, you put it into CapCut, and you add stock video overlays, subtitles, zooms, basically the visuals to the voiceover. Now you have a video without using your face. This is what we call faceless video. Now once you have either your clip that you made with the podcast or your own AI voiceover video, step 2 is to post it and to monetize it. Upload it on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. The more you post, the better, because you have more chances to go viral. And then each platform has monetization. So Facebook Reels has its monetization where they pay you per 1,000 views. YouTube Shorts as well, same thing. You do have to meet a threshold, which on YouTube, for example, is 1,000 subscribers and a certain amount of watch time. But once you're eligible for monetization, you can upload content there every single day and make money. The second side hustle you can start remotely is copywriting with AI. This is one of the smartest and most realistic side hustles you can start. With ChatGPT and a little bit of hustle, you can get clients to get you to pay you to write their email. As a creator, I get these emails in my inbox and I'll tell you exactly how they do it. Step 1, pick a niche and find the right client. You're looking for a content creator or a business that both has clients and has an email list. So ideal targets would be online coaches or consultants, influencers selling digital products or courses, personal trainers with online programs, small e-commerce brands. Step 2, you're gonna reach out to them with a custom sample using ChatGPT. You're not asking them for a job, you're showing them the value immediately. So depending on your niche and the client you're reaching out to, use ChatGPT to write you a persuasive email. So for example, hey Joe, I noticed you're doing a great job building your brand. I help coaches like you turn email subscribers into paying clients with high converting copy. I even wrote you a quick example. Check it out in the attached doc. I'll automate the whole process for you. Let me know if you'd like help building a full sequence. Then you're gonna use ChatGPT to write you that free sequence. So go onto ChatGPT and prompt it, write a persuasive welcome email for a personal trainer helping busy professionals get in shape. You're gonna take that into a Google Doc, copy and paste it at the end of your email, and send it out to a bunch of potential clients. Step 3, track your outreach with Close.com. Instead of manually managing your emails and seeing who replied, who didn't, Close.com is basically a platform that will automate the whole process and put everything in front of you. So it's easy for you to track who opened your email, who answered it, who didn't, and then you can follow up with the people that didn't. Step 4, once people reply and they're interested, hop on a call, close the deal, and start writing their email list. You'll be writing promotional emails that goes out to their email list, and your goal is to help them convert those email subscribers into paying clients for them. Now you can start for $100 to $300 per 3 email sequences. You can do a pay for results basis. So whenever they get converted clients, you get a cut of that. And once you show results, you can do an upsell strategy. You can do landing page rewrites, add copy for promotions, ongoing monthly email campaigns, bundle deals, which will be emails plus lead magnet copy, because you prove that your one service works. So now they'll trust you, and anything else you offer them, they'll most likely buy from you. The third side hustle is e-commerce, but the new way. E-commerce and dropshipping has been around for a long time, but it's only getting bigger. Here's how to start with dropshipping. Step Step 1, find a winning product. This is a product that hasn't been found yet. It isn't too saturated, but it's a product that people will want, and the product is also the content itself. Here are two examples of these winning products. One is a pool stick that looks like a gun, so all the person has to do when recording the video is use the product, and it is the content itself. People are interested, go to the link of their bio and buy it. The other is these reflex sticks. People go out in public, challenge people to do it, and again, it's captivating. People want to try it, and the product is the content itself. It gets views. People go to the bio, go to their e-commerce store, and buy the product. Step 2, make a Shopify store. Shopify has a $1 for a month trial, so use that, get your store set up. Step 3, find the product on AliExpress and link it to your Shopify store. This is where most people get stuck, but you can actually automate the whole process, and you do this with a platform called AutoDS. It'll import your AliExpress products, automate your pricing and inventory, and handle order fulfillment. So when someone buys from you, the order gets placed automatically, so you don't have to buy the product until you get money in your pocket, and the whole process will be fulfilled and done automatically for you. Step 4, create a social media account and order the product yourself. You want to make original content for you, so you get the products, you get your TikTok, your YouTube going, your Instagram, and you start banging out videos using this product. And step 5, put the link in your bio. As soon as one video blows up, people will go into your profile, check out the link in your bio, and buy the product. But the crazy part is you don't even have to do any of this, because buildyourstore.ai will do this for you. Here's how it works. You pick a niche you're interested in, could be tech, fitness, beauty, whatever you want. Their AI builds you a fully optimized Shopify store in under 2 minutes. I'm talking product pages, clean design, even ready to sell winning product. From there, you take the store that was built for you and you connect it with AutoDS, and that's when the real automation kicks in. AutoDS handles your product sourcing, pricing, and order fulfillment. So the entire backend runs automatically while you only have to focus on making content with the product. So there's no coding, no guesswork, no upfront cost. And the crazy part is the store design alone costs $200, but you get it for free. So if you want to get a full AI built Shopify store in under 2 minutes for free, go to buildyourstore.ai/Pierre Delazzi. I'll put the link in the description down below and the pinned comment at the top. They sponsor this video, but it is a cracked out tool. So check it out, link right here in the description and pinned comment at the top. The fourth side hustle is sell a digital skill as a service. Every business, brand, content creator needs help with digital tasks. So if you can offer even one useful digital skill, you'll start getting paid for it. So what skills can you offer? Video editing, either short form clips or long form YouTube edits, thumbnail design, video scripting or research, especially for YouTubers or coaches, content brainstorming, podcast editing, or repurposing. And you don't need no fancy degree, just prove that you can do it, and here's how to start. Step 1, choose your skill. Pick one skill that you're either willing to learn or you're already good at. And if you want to learn a skill, YouTube is your school. Go on YouTube, search it up, and you'll find how to start, how to learn it, how to get into it. Step 2, reach out with free samples like we did with the copyright. This is how most people get their first client, including my own editor. That's exactly what he did to me. He reached out to me saying, "Hey Pierre, I saw your YouTube video edit. Here's how I can improve them." He took a clip of my video, edited it, and sent it to me. I looked at the video and said, yeah, he's really good at what he's doing, so I'm gonna start working with him. So find creators or small businesses that post content but could use help. Find a hole, something in their brand that they're missing that you can fill. So if you're getting into short form video editing or long form video editing, and you notice that their videos are not that well edited, take a clip of their videos, edit a sample of it, and send it to them by email. And again, use close.com to help track all these emails, so it's easier for you to see who answered them, who didn't, you can follow up, etc. Step 4, charge per service or a monthly retainer. So per project, you could do $30 to $100 per short form click, $20 to $75 per thumbnail design, $50 to $200 per script, or a monthly retainer, for example, would be $300 to $1,500 a month, depending on volume, speed, and quality. This gives you stable income and a long-term relationship with that client. And the fifth side hustle, which is actually very effective, is a brand deal closer for content creators. Most content creators want brand deals, but they don't have time to do outreach and reach out to brands to work with them. So that's where you come in. I personally have gotten people that reach out to me by email and say, "Hey Pierre, I'll reach out to brands on your behalf. If I close a deal, I'll take 20% and you get 80%. And as a creator, I'm like, yeah, why not? It's a free outlet. They come back to me with brands. I look at the brand, see if it's worth it. If it is, we lock the deal. They get their 20%, I get the 80%. So here's exactly how to start. Reach out to creators with a polished pitch. So you want to look for creators that have a consistent posting schedule, good engagement, 10,000 to 500,000 followers, and no frequent branding. Then use ChatGPT to write a short professional pitch, and you can brand yourself as a creator partnership manager, or a UGC deal closer. Step 2, once they reply, request their media kit, their analytics, and their rate. So you want their insights on all platforms to see what kind of demographic they have, age, location, etc. Their analytics to see how many views they got in the past 28 days, and their base rate. Once you have that, step 3, reach out to brands on their behalf. And this is your grind phase every single day. Find brands on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube that align with that creator and email them with a quick pitch. Again, use ChatGPT and follow up consistently. And this will work if you just email a bunch of creators and a bunch of brands. The more you do, the more your chances are to actually lock in deals and get money. Step 4, close the deal, sign as the agent, and get paid. So once a brand says, yes, I will work with the creator, draft a contract, and you can use a template and sign as the agency or the representative. Then you are the middleman. Whenever they send the brief, the deliverables, you tell the creator. Whenever the creator has questions, you tell the brand, but you don't let them get in contact. You are the middleman. Now, once the collaboration is done, you collect the payment from the brand, you send the creator the 80% cut, and you keep the 20%. That's it. Go out and make some money.